Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is another presentation video that I'm doing on 4 tips for increasing affiliate marketing income. And there is a blog post in the description, and I do strongly recommend that you read that blog post because it is congruent with the video. And this is another video in my series on how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. So let's go watch that video and then I'll be back. 4 tips for increasing affiliate marketing income. Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is a presentation video that I'm doing on the 4 tips for increasing your affiliate marketing income. Affiliate marketing is like planting a garden. With the right seeds, care, and patience, you can cultivate a flourishing income stream. Tip number 1, choosing the right niche. Selecting the appropriate niche is like picking the right seeds for your garden. Here are a few action steps to help you succeed in picking the right niche. First, identify passions and interests. Research potential niches for audiences and product availability. Evaluate competition within those niches. Choose a niche that balances passion with profitability. Tip number 2, leverage social media for affiliate marketing success. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube are fertile soil where your affiliate marketing seeds can thrive. Take these action steps to help you succeed in social media. Step number 1, identify social media platforms where your audience hangs out. Step number 2, create a consistent posting schedule. Step number 3, use high-quality images and videos for engaging your audience. Step number 4, integrate affiliate links naturally into your content. Tip number 3, maximize earnings with product reviews. Product reviews are like water and sunlight for your affiliate marketing garden. Take these action steps to help you succeed with product reviews for affiliate marketing. Step number 1, select products that align with your niche and audience. Step number 2, test your products yourself before writing reviews. Step number 3, write in-depth, honest reviews highlighting the pros and cons. Step number 4, include clear, high-quality images or videos in your product reviews. Tip number 4, balance quantity versus quality of content. In affiliate marketing, finding a balance between quantity and quality content is like having the right mix of plants in your garden. Take these action steps to ensure that you have the right balance of quantity and quality content. Step number 1, develop a content calendar to maintain consistency. Step number 2, focus on quality by conducting thorough research. Step number 3, engage your audience with a diverse format of blogs, videos, and infographics. Step number 4, regularly update and improve old content to keep it relevant. So there you have it. Those are 4 tips for increasing your affiliate marketing income. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to affiliate marketing success. Okay, I'm back, and that was a presentation video that I did on 4 tips for increasing your affiliate marketing income. And there again, there is a blog post in the description, and I do strongly recommend that you read that blog post. So I hope you learned something. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.